Have you ever wondered what makes dark chocolate so irresistible? It's more than just a treat. It's a full sensory experience. Let's dive into the fascinating world of dark chocolate and uncover some of its most surprising secrets. First, let's talk about what dark chocolate even means. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa solids, the good stuff that comes directly from the cacao bean. This can range anywhere from 50% all the way up to 100%. The higher the percentage, the more intense and less sweet the flavor becomes. It's a journey for your taste buds, from a gentle bitterness to rich, earthy notes and even fruity or floral undertones. So, where does this amazing food come from? The story begins with the cacao tree, which grows in the tropical regions near the equator. The journey from bean to bar is a meticulous process. Farmers harvest the cacao pods, ferment and dry the beans, and then ship them to chocolatiers. These artisans roast the beans to develop their complex flavors, then grind them into a paste called cocoa liquor. By adding a little sugar and cocoa butter, they create the smooth, luxurious dark chocolate we know and love. It's a craft that combines agriculture, science, and artistry. Now let's explore some of the health benefits that have everyone talking. Dark chocolate, especially the high cocoa varieties, is packed with antioxidants called flavonoids. These powerful compounds can help protect your body's cells from damage. Studies have suggested that moderate consumption of dark chocolate may support heart health by improving blood flow and contributing to healthy blood pressure levels. It's not magic, but it's a pretty delicious way to get some beneficial nutrients into your diet. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Dark chocolate is also a source of essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and copper. Magnesium is particularly interesting because it plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle function and nerve signaling. Feeling a little sluggish? A small piece of dark chocolate might give you a gentle boost, thanks to its mineral content, and a tiny bit of natural caffeine, far less than a cup of coffee, but just enough for a pleasant lift. And what about that amazing feeling you get when you eat it? That's not just your imagination. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can trigger the release of endorphins in your brain, the same chemicals that create feelings of pleasure and well-being. It also contains phenylethylamine, a compound your brain produces when you're in love. So that feeling of pure bliss you get from a melting piece of dark chocolate? There's real science behind it. Choosing the right dark chocolate can be a fun adventure. When you're at the store, look at the ingredients list. A high-quality dark chocolate will have just a few simple ingredients: cocoa solids or cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, and a little sugar. The higher the cocoa percentage, the more of those beneficial compounds you're getting. Don't be afraid to experiment with different origins too. Just like wine or coffee, cacao beans from different parts of the world have unique flavor profiles. One might be fruity, another nutty or spicy. Incorporating dark chocolate into a balanced lifestyle is easy and enjoyable. You can savor a small square after dinner as a sophisticated dessert. You can melt it down and drizzle it over fresh fruit like strawberries or orange slices for a decadent yet wholesome snack. You can even use unsweetened cocoa powder or high-percentage dark chocolate in baking to add incredible depth of flavor to cakes, brownies, and cookies. It's a versatile ingredient that elevates both sweet and savory dishes. Remember, the key is moderation and enjoyment. It's about savoring the quality, not just consuming quantity. Taking the time to slowly melt a piece of dark chocolate on your tongue, noticing its texture and the way its flavors unfold, is a simple act of mindfulness. It's a small moment of indulgence that can make your day a little brighter. So go ahead, treat yourself to the rich, complex, and utterly satisfying world of dark chocolate. You've earned it. Thanks so much for joining me on this delicious journey today. If you enjoyed learning about the wonders of dark chocolate, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.